Home Depot this morning, right when it opened, 6 o'clock. And so I'm going to build a barn style, I think it's called grable trusses. And so I got 6 pieces of 2x3s. Kind of just going off the boat here. If you are looking for a how-to videos, not the video, I'm just going off the flute. So 2x3s, this little speed angle ruler, I don't know what it's called, framing thing. You can just use your saw, but I felt like, yeah, I probably should get it $7 maybe for something there. And then regular nails, I was gonna get screws, but I feel like I just get nails, and that's what usually framers do. And structural, I don't know. So when I say I don't know, hint back, you need to find out. I'm just watching a bunch of videos, articles, anything I can find online, and go with what I have on my trailer. Trailer was custom made, and I took the roof off the other day without really thinking about it. I did think about it a couple months ago, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. And then I was like, yeah, there's mold in these cracks, so I'll do it. I'm not going with aluminum or steel, just for time and expense, and wood is just, it's cheap, it's affordable, you can make mistakes on it, but measure twice, cut once. I'm not the greatest with the welder, and I don't want to go buy a $100 welder, so I went with the wood. So the reason I'm going with this barn style roof is I don't really like the A-frame. If I'm wrong on the A-frame, correct me. I don't like that look. I think to me it's just, my trailer is like it's a custom made cargo trailer. We're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna take the siding off. Everything's gonna kind of go change besides the bones. And it's a little boxy, and the front it goes in kind of and then squares out. And I thought the look of a barn style would look uniform with it, as much as the other styles, A-frame. I didn't really want to go with the flat. I don't like the idea of water just sitting there. And then my roof before, it was tad little round because they had like frames up it, but it took the height away from you. And I was thinking about doing it round and get it more round, but I was just like, that's just more complicated. So I felt like building trusses. I saw a video on there, how to build this style of trusses. So I was like, hey, why not? So we'll go with it. I hope you guys are liking this video so far. And I'll keep up